This video is a re-edit. It was originally filmed about a year ago, but now that I have much better editing skills, I decided to give it a better shot at editing. It is John and his motorcycle trailer.
Hi, I'm Rick.
And I'm Sharon.
And we are Cargo On.
Cargo Conversion Building Camp. If you want to see some really cool cargo camper conversions, hear from the builders, see some tours, and see some places we've camped and some crazy adventures, then you are definitely on the right channel. Okay, so what's your name, sir?
John Fredericton.
Saw him pull into the campground with a bike, okay, which is not a big deal. But then I see this little pop-up, which I've never seen before, and it is totally awesome. I'm going to walk around it, and then I'm going to come back and talk to you about it. Tell us a little bit about this pop-up.
So I tend to do a lot of long distance travel with my motorcycle. It's an 18 with 60,000 miles on it. So paying for hotels, and I'd rather be in a state park. What's great about this little camper is it gives you the flexibility of I can stay at a tent site or I can stay at a full-grown campsite. A lot of places they only give you gravel to sit in, and sleeping on a tent on gravel is not the most comfortable thing in the world. We're a couple feet off the ground. I have no problems pulling it with my motorcycle. I can do 80 easy on the interstate with it. It's a trailer, so as long as you don't overpack it, it doesn't push you around. Stopping, of course, is going to take a little bit longer. One of the cool features on the tongue in front, if you go look at the tongue on front, is it swivels, so you can still lean into your coolers. Attaches on. Little company, if you want to get the name of it, Compact Camp out of Pennsylvania. Really nice guys.
Wow, it's bigger than I thought.
Yep. One of the other.
And you got a lot of storage.
Yep. And it packs down. The other thing that's cool is there's a little bench seat here, so I can take the bench seat, lower it, have this stay up, and I can double that as a workplace. And so it's
oh, that's what that is.
That's what that is. And then I have solar panels underneath, so when I need to charge it up, I pull it out. But I've been running on this for a week now. Phone, watch, an iPad, and I started at the week 100%. I'm at 72, so I haven't charged it yet. When I pull in, I drop the back two supports and I leave it attached to the bike, and there's two poles to put up. One pole going that way, one pole going that way, and it's up. Window here, and there's two big windows on the other side.
That is amazing. Oh, it comes off. Probably slides in. They're not light, those bikes, to muscle around. Wow, it just pulls it to it. And there he goes. Here is their webpage. They're called Compact Camp, and I'm also going to put a link to them below in the description. That's a wrap, everyone. You know what to do if you like this video.
You all come back now, you hear?